Hello everybody, how are you? I am Jeff and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is the nurse access client's breath sounds which one requires immediate medical attention. A client who has one option Crackles, two option Rhonchi, three options Stridor, four option Wheezes. The correct answer of the question is three options Stridor. Radiation Stridor is a sign of respiratory distress, possibly airway obstruction. Crackles and Rhonchi indicate fluid in the lung. Wheezes are cases by narrowing of the airway. Crackles, Rhonchi and Wheezes indicate respiratory illness and are potentially serious but do not necessarily indicate respiratory distress that requires immediate medical attention. So that the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.